Hello there. So in this video, I want to share with you my information about how you can create passive income by selling your digital art and just be as affiliate on those sites. So as example, we'll use it master bundles. And I select the site for specific reason. So let's say it this way. If you have it, all this website like iStock Photo, Adobe Stock Photo, so you can sell assets there as well. And tell you true, I do sell. If you check right there, going on Vladimir Chopine, you find my files for sale there. And they do sell. However, I need to compete constantly with thousands and thousands of other contributors there, which is make a little bit harder. So you can always go to a little bit lower tier, for example, like Envato Elements. But again, they have it another ways. They have it like Theme Forest or other ones, or a graphic something river, I think, which is take all these assets and put. Again, you need to have a huge competition on this side. So you'll need to find the website which is not big enough, but it's stable. So it's not like one night pop-up stand who come grab money and go. So you need to find something. And plenty of other sites around there. However, this one what I found, and it's kind of very interesting, it's called Master Bundles. It is stable website. The company ran for several years, and I did check them before I actually put it in this video. And they sell assets. It's all legit, all licensing, everything okay. And most interesting about that site, because it is big, but it's not big enough. So it's a great place to start to establish your presence, to put your digital assets, or become affiliate so you can actually bring more and create more income. And become affiliate actually is a very, very good income. So let me show you example. So this is example just for one affiliate. I have it multiple of them, but this is example just on one affiliate, okay? And let's put this way. So you can see so far paid 4,297, and actually 700 not yet paid, so it will come this month. And this is about, in 4 months I made about $5,000. And this is just one affiliate. All what I do, I just provide one link. As an affiliate, for example, for this, I do stand behind the product that I advertise. I'm not just grabbing all the stuff and put it everywhere. No, this is product what I used on daily basis. This is what I like it. This is what I recommend to my students. This is what good product. So you need to also understand the affiliate, you putting your kind of word to support them. Same with master bundles. For example, I go research, I use this, all the stuff. And if you feel, it's come to your personal decisions. If you feel this is service or this is assets you want to kind of share with other people, then go forward. For me, yes, I did verify it, and I think that is a very nice platform. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. Right here, master bundles. And one thing, you need to create an account with them. And when you create an account, you can apply for affiliate or master. So what is meaning? Right here, you can see when you log in, I have my vendor cabinet where I can create my products. And how say this is new, so we can go with you step by step how you can do this. Okay. Also, you have a partner market, which is your affiliate. And right now, because it's startup, it's on low income, 15%. And you can create right here, send affiliate links and share with people. You can share affiliate per products or general per store if you need it. And of course, if you're buying some assets, you have it your buyer's cabinet where you can go and check, which is kind of very nice, the way you can manage your assets. Overall, master bundles, it's a place where people can go and buy assets. So as assets, they can buy like graphics, whatever created, fonts, add-ons like plugins for Photoshop or whatever you created, templates, maybe you needed, web, Instagram, other ones if you need to create those ones, stock content, photos, videos, and what I'm going to do, I will go in using with the photos asset as example, and so on. We have free deals and all the stuff as usual. But this seems like it's very clean, very nice, and it's what we're going to use. As affiliate, you will need to apply, and after application approve it, you have it just link. So, and it's very easy. Just get a link, copy, paste. So that is straightforward. When you go as a vendor here, you need to actually create the product or upload it. So let's go ahead and try to do this. First, what I want you to recommend to do before dashboard ad, let's go in profile. And in profile, you want to name your store. So mine is Geekatplay Studio, and this is registered name as a business. So it's why I put it. And you can put it email to contact. Mine is contact at Geekatplay, and payment information. If you're using like PayPal or other ones, you can provide information here. Right now, you can just leave it alone. So this is one thing I recommend for you to do, and just click, save it, and you save your things. So let's go now in dashboard. In dashboard, we need to create new product. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our first products. And right here, we went to create product page, and let's, before we jump to add some stuff, let's look on this specific phrase. It says, if you're selling everywhere else, you're welcome to sell here. And this is actually important part, because many services that provide, they will actually or penalize or don't let you to sell the content on another sites. They won't be exclusive. So nice about this place, you have it 50% of profit, even you sell on other areas. And this is actually very nice. If you have it like bundle sell in other areas, you can also bring and start selling them here. And for me, it's very important because I already sell bundles in other areas like Gumroad and everything. So it's meaning I can take them already pre-made product, everything, and easy to add sell in another area. So it is benefit me. So let's go ahead next. Well, look what we need to do. So right here, we need add product title. So in this have it, I will put it stone wall, comma, texture. What else we have it? Backdrop. And let's maybe put it this. Photo of this stone wall. I'm not sure about if put it photo, but what I want to be sure in a title, I have it, it is photo, it is what subject, and usage, texture, backdrop. So the people when search, they can find. So this is my personal approach. Next, we want to look on add preview images. Before we do, let's see what we have. We needed 110 by 110 and maximum 500K. Okay, we have it need upload zip file. We also have it upload additional media to view, and Pinterest image. Okay, and also description add to this. On the right side, we have it. We need to select category way we want to sell or what we want to sell, what type, free or paid, also pricing, and additional properties. So like property, all the stuff. So we'll go do step by step. We add our title, and what I want to do actually, I want to add this photo of the texture. Yes, it's what I want to sell. So let's go ahead and look on examples. So right here, one of the examples somebody else sell, and this is what I do. If I don't understand or want to see what is minimum requirement, I go see what people already sell there. I look on the pricing, what the price is, so I can kind of know market, what is going on. So right here, I'm looking, okay, this is created by size. Okay, that is information. And notice it's stock photo horizontal, so we probably want to place it around there. And pricing is going 10, 30, and extended 30. Okay, so we can go back in. We could actually use it after pricing. And when we put after pricing, we need to select where we want to sell. And I'm going photo horizontal, so we'll just add to this right here. And now we can put after pricing, and it's actually fill up for this. You can change, but I think it's okay for one image. I will just leave it like this because it's very high resolution. And let's go right now just to add our images. So as a preview image, and you'll notice right here 110 by 110. So I'm going and I'll upload it one of my preview image. Now to drag and upload image, I'm only like to sell stuff that I'm going to use. And I like high resolution images and compress it. I hate when people sell very compressed JPEG files. So for this reason, I took this high res PNG file, and I put it in a zip file, and it's what going, I'm just go and upload the zip file here. So let's go down. It's also add media. So as add media, I'm going to grab and drag media of the file so people can preview, see what is actually there. Next, let's go to down below and Pinterest image as well. Notice right here it says 15 whatever 700. Change, and let's go right here. There you go. There's my image. Okay, now we need to add description, and in description, is keep it in mind, it's have 150 symbols. So what I was putting in, it is photo of the stone wall in Oxford, England. Okay, this is just to say what I was taking picture of or what it is. And you know what, one nice thing, so you can always have it like grammarly, it does help me a lot. Okay, so right here we'll just put it photo, Excel, background, soft, and sometimes I have a hard time to come up with this, and honestly it's when AI come up with handy to me. Okay, so this is done. Right here, let's go add properties file type, and file type is PNG, so we go to select right here. Okay, next color, and we need to select what color is there. It is, you have it yellow, green, orange, brown. I don't think it's actual orange there. Well, right here it's kind of pinkish almost, so maybe, and black. I think those ones will work fine. Topic, nope, we don't need weddings. Privacy and term of condition, check-in. Okay, I think this is about all. It's probably something will come up, we'll see. Let's go ahead, click submit. Oh, I needed second preview image, and because it's the same, I'll just put it same image here. Topic, we don't need wedding topic. Okay, let's go ahead right here. I think yes, it was a little bit not enough symbols. Okay, so I add a little bit more. Let's go ahead what is right now, and I still haven't need add topic to this. Okay, I'll just add some topics. Oh, right there, midsummer. Let's go put together. Click OK, and there you go. Now it's submitting our information. Okay, so here's a done of our products, and let's go ahead right now, just see. We'll go home and we'll check on our product. So right here in the dashboard, you can see it is pop up. Oh no, I put it and I have 0 earning. And you know what? You don't need to expect any miracles from time when you put it, because on first case, keep in mind it is not as big site, so it does not have as much traffic. And of course, people will take time. And one thing what I do recommend for you to upload it more products. More products you have it, the better it is you will sell, collect from each of them. After this, next step is actually promote the site when you build up enough and everything. So in this case, it's both parties benefit. You by creating more traffic, foot traffic to the site to sell items. And in this case, also reason is why I'm promoting, well, not promoting, but kind of tell about this new site, because if you put it there, you bring people, other ones, it is actually very good to start on the beginning. So you can pre-build your platform before other people discover and become high traffic. So this is actually a very good time to start. Keep in mind, don't put it all eggs in one basket. It's what I said before. Don't just rely to create one. It's a one of them. Example, like I sell stuff on a Gumroad and I have tons of products from there. So you can notice something similarity, and reason why I'm showing you, like for example, I have it my background, I have it my thumbnail, something similar to this. So I have it my art pack for every product that I create. I have it my art pack, which is somewhat universal, and I can use it this art pack that I created inside, for example, master bundles or in Inventor elements, or in this case inside the master bundle or Gumroad. So you can use it in multiple places. And by doing this, you can actually submit on different. And after you watch performance, where does it perform Good. Does it perform better on this side? Then focus more on the side where the items is sell the best. But here's an example. What I want to show you how you can go ahead from beginning, create, set up, download it, load it, upload it, sorry, your product, okay? How you can go ahead and start pre-creating and sell. Don't expect any super miracles. It does require work as anything else, but it's way nice to diversify, to have it a very nice passive income from multiple sources, from your own product, from affiliate product, and from the multiple sites. But before we end up, let me look a couple things, point overall when you look on a website with what you should work or not. What I'm checking the privacy in a website. So I'm going and check from different where they're located, what is privacy. Read about company and going on a Google to verify, because I found several companies that they resell stock. They're actually not legit. They're single day pop up. They take a stock from other place, literally steal it and try to resell, and you join the affiliate for them, you're making, and you actually don't get paid anyway. So be sure you check all this information and cross verify with other ones. So also check on the licensing, what licensing they offer to the creators. Does it benefit the creators, go through them or not? Like right here, couple questions I have come up and I can contact and ask, and it's just need word verification, so what I can use it. Also check on the refund policy. Refund policy is important because when people buy products, they may refund back, and sometimes you will see sales and your sales is gone. So it depends how long is refund. 14 days it's about average. Some people give it 30 days, but in a project 14 days it's more than enough in many cases, so it's very good. Also terms for the clients, and because I'm gone through all of this writing legal stuff, be sure it is they are who they are, and it's favorable to me, this service and all this other ones, before I start sale or become affiliate with them. And of course, the next, be sure just check on how much current product do they sell. Okay, do they have it plenty of the interesting stuff? Because when you affiliate, you actually need to provide some interest for the people why they should go to this site. Okay, if you're affiliate or a vendor, because you want to also don't have it like startup, from zero ground, but you don't want it overwhelmed. So it's what usually I check, and I check how much of the products that maybe compete with my product is here, because if I find place where the market is not yet utilized, then it's good. It's mean I can take this position there with this and explore and expand in this area. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you find it's useful, give you some ideas, and again, not necessary you can use it just master bundle. I use it as example, and it's a very good example in this case, but you can find other ones. If you have any questions, let me know. Share what you find where you sell your products, and I greatly appreciate these things. Have a great day.